Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'll be doing a subtle makeup for her birthday shirt. So I'll do everything step by step. So just keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video if you love it. Thank you guys. Love you. So basically I'll be starting from her brows. I'm using MAC eye pencil in color 1. She has a full brow, so I'm just going to lightly fill it up, but not much. Just do a little bit of it, not too much. So I'm just going to lightly fill that up. For my concealer, I'm using Early Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'll be Fawn. So I'm just going to work that everywhere in her eyes. Naturally, I love using enough concealer for the down eye very well because it sets the base for your eyeshadow. And I think I learned this trick, like when you use a very light a very light concealer underneath the eye and you spread it all over the eye, it makes your eyeshadow pop out very well, very well. I've tried that before, but off camera. I'm going to try it on camera on myself so you see what I'm talking about. I'm going to try pigmenting with different colors so you see what I'm actually talking about. You don't need a very expensive eyeshadow to do that. If you have a moderate eyeshadow that is okay, not anyhow eyeshadow but a good one, that's okay, you can do that. So I'm actually I'm contouring the eye with a very light color because she wants a very light makeup. She doesn't want it very shouty, but it's a birthday shot, so she wants it light but sassy and nice. So as you can see, if you notice, I'm not using a ring light yet. I don't have the perfect lighting. You would have seen exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, you can see the way the other eye. You can see the way it is looking right now because of the way I applied my concealer. I use a lot at the down part of the eye very well so that it could give me that popping, like it has to pop out. Yeah. Now I'm going to line her eye carefully. If you know, some people are not used to using this kind of eyeliner to line other people's eye. If you know your hand is not strong, I'm going to actually do a video. I use a brush and a liquid liner, a brush and a gel liner. Sorry, this is liquid liner. Not everybody knows how to use a liquid liner to line some people's eye. Some know how to use for themselves, but for other people it's very hard for some people. So I'm just going to do a video on how to use a gel liner to line people's eye, and gel liner is easier because your hand is more firm. So I'm just going to line her eye. Then for her foundation, I used classic in color 3. I used classic in color 3. I'm using the foundation to shape the up of her brows. I normally use a darker shade, either a darker shade of concealer or darker shade of foundation to line the top. Now I'm just going to blend in the foundation very well. For highlighting, I use the same color I used for the eyeshadow. Sorry. The same color I used for the eyebrow to highlight the down part of her eye. I'm making sure not to use too much product. Like I said, too much product can cause a mess, so you just be very careful not to use too much product. For her setting, I'm using Sacha Buttercup. Let me get it. Let me find it. I'm just going to use the mascara to like under her eyes because she has a very long hair under her eyes and dust from my. So I'm using a dark shade, a darker shade, like dark purple under her eye. Not really dark purple, like a navy blue or purple, but it's kind of too dark under her eye. I just want to smoke that under eye so you look a little bit smoky. And I'm using the powder to like dust everything off. Contouring her face from my palette. I have a contour palette, Morphe contour palette, using the color that suits her face. Then I'm using Anastasia Glow palette. I love that palette very well, so I'm always an Anastasia Glow palette, Beverly Hills Glow palette fan. So I'm using that on her face. Moisturizing her lip because her lip is kind of dried with Vaseline. That's the Vaseline lip balm, I think so. Then I used a nude lipstick on her lip. I use Huda Beauty nude lipstick on her lip. I'll put every detail down below. Then I'm glossing the lip, so she wanted this subtle glossy look. So I'm just gonna gloss the lip there. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.
I want to go for my photo shoot.